So as we know that, so in last class we have studied that the solid state to liquid state means change of state of matter because of effect of temperature, effect of change of temperature. So we have studied that solid to liquid change. So as we know that when the matter is converting from solid state to liquid state, so what we used to call that? What is it called as process? Melting.
Fusion or
Melting.
And
melting or fusion.
temperature only that solid will be converting into liquid. That point is called as
Melting
melting
point.
point.
MP.
MP, that is only called as melting point. You should not
Melting
say
point.
MP, it is melting point. So now, that is what we have studied. Suppose, for example, if you take water, what is the MP, melting point of water? If you take water, if you take, it is 0 degree
0 degree Celsius at ATM.
atmospheric pressure. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Atmospheric pressure. So this is
Yes,
what
sir.
we did in the last class. So now, let us come to the today's class. So in today's class, we are going to study the next concept is, understand, what is that? Liquids to gaseous state. Liquid to gas change. All of you keep heading. So the second change which we are going to study is liquid to gas change. Gas change. I think yesterday itself we have kept the heading. So this process is only we used to call as what we should call boiling.
Boiling or vaporization.
Vaporization. So that is only called as conversion of liquid state to gaseous state. So you remember, if a melting point is more or else boiling point is more, if the boiling point or melting point is increasing in the sense of, then the molecules having strong force of attraction. Do you understand? Low temperatures, less intermolecular forces, more temperatures, more intermolecular forces. That is why we are keeping strong heat to break that bonds. That is what you should remember. So if it comes to the liquid to gaseous change, if you observe, for example, water only. So water normally will exist in which state? Solid, liquid or gas? Normal, room
Liquid.
Liquid, sir.
liquid gas, a liquid state. Is it yes or no? So now, if you are
Sir.
heating the water, suppose on our gas, with the help of your gas, you can see, it ultimately starts boiling, and we can see that like a white fumes are going upwards. Is it yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So ultimately it will start boiling and changes rapidly into a gas called as, what is that water gas we used to call as? Water vapor. So it will turns into water vapor. So water, liquid water is turns into water vapor. So that is only we used to call as steam. What we should call? Steam.
Steam.
So in this process, what happened? In this process, if you will observe, the liquid water, understand, it is not for water only, any substance. The liquid water changes into what? Changes into a gas, understand, that is only called as steam. So that this process is called as, understand, what we should call?
Boiling.
Boiling. So if you will observe here, a water changes into a gas so that a change of state takes place. So liquid state it will turns into gaseous state. So that only this is called as change of state. So that name is called as boiling. So what is the meaning of boiling? If it comes to the boiling, what is the meaning of boiling means in the sense of what? The process in which a liquid substance changes into a gas rapidly on heating. If you are heating rapidly, then the liquid substance is changes into gaseous substance. That is only we used to call as what? Boiling. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Example, when water changes into a steam rapidly and heating, it is called as what? A boiling of water. What we should call? Boiling of water. So if you are
Water.
heating the water rapidly, it will changes into steam. So that is only we used to call as boiling of water. Do you understand or not? So now, is it this boiling of water is taking place at all the temperatures or at a particular temperature?
Particular temperature, sir.
Temperature only. As we know that what is the temperature also? What is the temperature also?
100 degree
100 degrees
at
Celsius.
1 atm.
100 degrees
Water
Celsius.
alone I am saying. So if we take water, understanding. So the change of state of any kind of substance takes place, understanding, at a particular fixed temperature. At a fixed temperature. So that fixed temperature only, we used to call it as what? Boiling point of the liquid. Understand? So the temperature at which the liquid boils and changes rapidly into a gas. Is it only temperature? One more parameter is there. What is that? At atmospheric pressure. You speak louder if you know. Understand? At atmospheric pressure is only known as boiling point of liquid. BP of liquid. Do you understand? Boiling point of liquid.
Yes, sir.
We know that if you take water, water is heated to a temperature of how much? 100
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius.
1 atmospheric pressure. ATM pressure is 1 atmosphere. Then the water boils rapidly to form a gas called as. What is the gas called as? Steam or
Steam.
vapor.
Vapor.
So I can say that the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius at 1 atm, 1 atmospheric pressure. So that, understanding. So if we keep this 100 degrees Celsius, the liquid water will be converting into a gaseous state of water. That is only called as steam. Understand? So like that, if you take a different liquids, is it every liquid is having only 100 degrees? Is it every
No,
liquid is
sir.
having only 100 degrees? No. Different liquids having a different boiling point. Suppose if we take, for example, alcohol. What is the boiling point of alcohol? If we take alcohol, understanding, water I am taking. So I have found that water, the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Like that, if we take alcohol, the boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius itself. How much boiling point of this one? Alcohol?
78 degrees Celsius.
If we take mercury, understand? So if you take mercury, so mercury is a liquid metal. The only liquid metal is mercury. So the boiling point of mercury is 357 degrees Celsius. So if you observe here, understand? So the boiling point is varies for various substances. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you observe alcohol, low boiling point compared to the water, and compared to the water, mercury is having more boiling point. Now, if you observe here, the boiling point of liquid is again the same thing. It is the measure of the force of attraction between its particles. It is the measure of what? Force of attraction.
Attraction.
Understanding between the particles. So now, if more boiling point, what will be the force? Is it more or less?
More.
Boiling point is very high. So that what it will be? What it will tell us? Suppose if we take mercury compared to the water and alcohol, mercury is more. Means in the sense of force of attraction is high or low?
High.
Force of attraction is high or low?
High.
High. That is what I am saying. If temperature value, remember, increasing, so attraction is also increases. Decreases, attraction is also decreases. That is what you should remember. Laksha, Manya, all of you, Momanish, are you understanding? So, when suppose if you take here mercury is having very high, that is 357 degrees Celsius, which tells us that the force of attraction between the particles is very, very strong. Understand? Very strong. So that is why their boiling point is also very high. Now compared to the alcohol and water, who is having very strong bonds? Compared to the water and alcohol alone. Compared to the
Water.
alcohol and water, who is having more strong force of attraction?
Water.
Water. Understanding? Compared to the water, alcohol is having less force of attraction. Water is having more strong force of attraction compared to the alcohol. But compared to the mercury, it is less only. Is it yes or no? So mercury is having
Yes, sir.
strong. Suppose you will take another substance which is having boiling point of 1000 degrees Celsius. For example, I am saying. Then that X substance is having more strong bonds compared to the mercury. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
From that I can say that higher the boiling point, then what will be the? Then higher will be the force of, stronger will be the force of attraction. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what you should remember. Coming to the melting point, also same thing. If higher will be the melting point, then the stronger will be the force of attraction. Understand, Ra? So that is what you should remember. So this is all about the conversion of from which state to which state? Conversion from liquid state to
Liquid
to
state
gas.
to gaseous state.
so that process is only known as boiling, or we used to call it as vaporization. So in these two things you should remember. One is boiling. Next one is what? Next one is what? Boiling point. Boiling point. Understand? Or this one called as vaporization. Vaporization. And also this point is called as what? Vaporization point. Both are same. Don't get confused. Vaporization point. Boiling point or vaporization point. That is what you should remember. All of you write it now. Do you understand, Manya, Samaya? Laksha, can you repeat the boiling point of alcohol and mercury? I will say Laksha now. You don't worry. Now you write. Right. The process in which first boiling. All of you write boiling. The process in which the
Sir,
process
side heading boiling.
side heading you can give boiling. Main heading liquid to gas, side heading boiling. Right. The process in which a liquid substance changes a liquid substance changes into a gas rapidly on heating is called boiling or vaporization. Is called vaporization. Understand, Ra? Yes or no? So example. What is the example? What is the example? Converting liquid water. Understanding? Liquid water into water.
Gas.
Water vapor or steam.
Water vapor or steam is an example. So that is only called as boiling. You can note it. Example. Okay, that is boiling. Write it down, all of you. Next, keep side heading. Boiling point or vaporization point. All of you keep heading next. Boiling point or vaporization point. Mohanesh, are you writing notes or not? I'm asking you only. Mohanesh. You have to communicate, Mohanesh. Yesterday what I have said. You have to be active. Right, next. Boiling point or vaporization point. Don't try to act. Understanding? I don't want actors. Be sincere in your works. Boiling point or vaporization point. All of you write. All of you write. The temperature at which a liquid boils, a temperature at which a liquid boils and changes liquid boils and changes
Sir, repeat, sir.
the temperature at which a liquid boils, Samya, Samaya is with you or not? Right. The temperature at which a liquid boils and changes rapidly into a gas. Changes rapidly into a gas. Changes rapidly into a gas at atmospheric pressure. At atmospheric pressure. At atmospheric pressure. This is what the keyword, most important word. At atmospheric pressure is called boiling point of the liquid. Is called boiling point of the liquid. So now examples what are you speak? 3 examples I have taught you. What is the examples? Boiling point of alcohol first. What is alcohol boiling point?
78 degrees Celsius.
So 78 degrees Celsius. Next, BP of water. It will take
100 degrees
100
Celsius.
degree.
BP of mercury. 300 and how much?
53.
357, sir.
57.
You can write like this. Liquid water. Understand? BP, which is equals to 100 degrees Celsius, which is equals to what? Steam or water vapor. So for example, I am saying. So this is what? This is the examples of what? Examples of what?
Boiling point.
Boiling point. So now, more will be the boiling point, more stronger will be the force of attraction. That is what you should remember. So what is boiling point? Boiling point will measure the force of attraction between its particles. Understand? So more stronger, more boiling point. Less stronger, less boiling point. That's all. Write it. Have you completed this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write it.
Yes, sir.
Right. Higher the boiling, right? The boiling point of a liquid, the boiling point of a liquid, the boiling point of a liquid, the boiling,
Sir, next point.
next point only. The boiling point of a liquid, the boiling point of a liquid is a measure of the force of attraction, between its particles. It is a measure of the force of attraction. It is a measure of the force of attraction between its particles. Force of attraction between its particles. Understanding? Higher the boiling point of a liquid, next point. Higher the boiling point, you don't have to write full point, you can write BP. Boiling point of a liquid, higher the boiling point of a liquid, but exam you should not write BP, remember. Higher the boiling point of a liquid, greater will be the force of attraction. Greater will be the force of attraction. Force of attraction between particles. Note it down till here. Any doubt you can ask me. Is it completed?
Completed, sir.
Sir,
So now, here also the same thing. So if you'll observe here, whenever we are heating the liquid, so what will happen? The kinetic energy keep on increasing. So at a certain situation, they will get the enough sufficient energy to break the bonds between them further, so that they will converting into which state? gaseous state. Is it yes or no? So while you are heating this liquid, the heat energy makes its particles moves even faster and more, even faster and faster. At the boiling point, the particles of a liquid, they will gain by the time the you understand? So the gases at that particular boiling point alone, they will get the enough kinetic energy. They have the enough kinetic energy to overcome the forces of attraction, which is holding them together. And from that temperature, they will start separating into individual particle. So that individual particles means what? The liquid boils to form a gaseous state. So that is the process which is involved. Formation of liquid state to. Do you understand, Ra? So that is the understanding, conversion of liquid state to gaseous state. So till the boiling point, they will start gaining the energy. Yes, gaining, continuous supply of heating. So continuously they used to store that energy. So at particular temperature, they will get the enough sufficient energy to break that and escaping gas. So that point is only called as boiling point. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Gaseous, liquid state to gaseous state. Now, so we have converted from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. That's all. So what is that process called as? Now let me take you now. Understanding overall flow chart for this first part. So first part if we'll make, what is the first part, Ra? First part what it is? Solid. Is it yes or no? So now solid if we'll
Yes,
take,
sir.
solid is converting into what? Solid is
Liquid.
converting into what? Liquid. So that process we used to call as, what we should call? Melting, or we
Melting.
used to call as fusion.
Fusion.
Temperature is called as melting point. Yes, sir. So now, liquid is converting into again what? Gas.
Gas.
So that is only we used to call as boiling, and that point is called as boiling point.
Boiling
Boiling
point.
Any doubt? This boiling also we can call as vaporization.
Vaporization.
Vaporization. So till here, all of you finish it. All of you write this one. So this is you write it down. Below that one, you write this one. Keep here little bit big arrow and write it on it. That don't write. Like this you write. Once it is completed, you tell me. Completed? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Do it. So now if you observe here, solid become liquid, liquid become gas. Now we have got the gas. Now reverse we should come. From here to here we should go back again. So that is only reverse process of state of matter. Understand? Now gas. So now gas to reverse we should convert. What is that called as?
Condensation.
Condensation.
Condensation. Understand? Or else by reducing temperature only, so that we can call them as cooling also. Understand? But cooling is not the correct word. By cooling, we will do the process. That is why this process is called as condensation. Understand? So the next process, have you completed this one? Please let me know. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the next one, you please keep heading. Gas to liquid change. What we should call? Gas to
Gas to liquid change.
liquid change. Gas to liquid change. So that process only we used to call as, what we should call it? Condensation. All of you keep reading. Condensation. Now listen first. All of you first listen. So now we have a gas. We have a gas. For example, I will show you some picture. So from the picture, I will explain you. So now, for example, let me take, how many of you know kettle? In deserts and all, they used to use for making tea. Do you know kettles?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Home also we have a kettle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let us see. Have you seen the kettles like this? Now you observe this process very carefully. Now in this process, if you observe very carefully, observe Monish. Now, with the help of heater, with the help of burner, I am producing the steam. Do you notice it? I am producing the steam here. So steam in the sense of what? I am converting the liquid state to, understanding, liquid state to gaseous state. So what is this process called as? Still here. What is that process called as? Boiling. Is it yes or
Boiling.
no?
Yes, sir.
What nobody is saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that process is called as boiling. Now you can see I have a steam here. Somebody is speaking. Who is that? So we have a steam now. Now the steam, if you'll observe, I am taking some kind of a pan here. Have you noticed it? Some kind of a pan.
Yes, sir.
So that opposite side, I am keeping a ice. I am keeping a ice. So that whatever the steam is coming from this kettle, it will come and will touch this bottom, which will touch this bottom surface. So once it will touch with the bottom surface, what will happen, Ram? That ice will absorb that heat energy. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If ice will absorb the heat energy, what will happen? The temperature of gas will be fall down again. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It will be fall down means it will comes to what? Less than the boiling
Liquid.
point. So that it will be again condensing back. It will be converted into the liquid state. That is only we are collecting into the jar. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes, sir.
somebody is speaking. I don't know. Who is that? Samaya. Be concentrated half an hour. After that, you can enjoy. So now here you see. After, for example, water you take. Water only. Observe, try to understand very carefully, Ra. Gas, water, liquid water, we have made it into gaseous state. Is it yes or no, Ra? Liquid water,
Yes, sir.
it will make
Yes, sir.
gas. That is only we used to call as water vapor. By what process? Heating or cooling? Water vapor.
Heating.
Water vapor. By heating we are making. Now, reverse if we take water vapor. I have a water vapor now. I have a water vapor now. So now, by cooling, I can make it into what? Again,
Liquid.
liquid water. So, this process is only called as boiling, and this process is only called as, what was it called? Condensation.
Condensation.
Boiling is called as condensation. Now, how sir means you see, so there a steam is produced. So steam is producing means I am taking a pan. Now I am taking a pan. Let me imagine my hand is pan. Understand? Now upside I am keeping ice. Ice is temperature is very low or high? Ice temperature is very low or high?
Low. Low.
Now whenever the steam will come and will touch my hand here in the sense of my pan, so that heat energy, whatever the steam having a heat energy will be absorbed by this ice. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that
Sir.
ice will start melting. Ice will start converting into liquid state, but it is on the pan. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once the steam will touch to this pan, so that heat energy absorbed by the ice, so that here temperature will fall down. So if the temperature will fall down, means in the sense of what? It is cooling or heating? It is
Cooling.
cooling or heating?
Cooling, sir.
Cooling only. So cooling means it will be converting, it will be condensing into the liquid state again. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that is what happening. That is only called as condensation. Now, what is this condensation point? Here like boiling point. What is the meaning of boiling point, Laksha? At a particular temperature where the liquid is converting into the gaseous state is called as boiling point. Yes or no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
at atmospheric pressure.
Yes. Now same way, reverse if we'll take condensation point. What is the meaning of condensation point? At a particular temperature, you can see where the gas is converting into, what state?
Liquid state.
At atmospheric pressure is only called as CP. What is the meaning of CP? At particular temperature where the gaseous state is converting into the liquid state is only called as CP. What is the meaning of CP? Condensation point. What we should call?
Condensation point.
Condensation point.
Once the temperature will fall down less than that condensation point, so that it will be converting into the liquid state. Is it yes or no? In this picture, you can observe very clearly. So the temperature of the steam is absorbed by this understanding ice, so that here the liquid is understanding. So the gaseous vapor, water vapor is converting or else liquefies, means converting into the liquid state, condenses into the liquid state again. So that is what I am collecting in beaker. Is it yes or no? Ra? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here if you'll observe, the process of converting gas to liquid is called as condensation. By which process? By cooling, by reducing temperature. Converting gas state to liquid state is called as condensation. Now, what is the meaning of condensation point? Means at a particular temperature where the gas state of matter will be converting into which state? Ra? Gas state into which state?
Liquid
Liquid
state.
Liquid state. Others also can speak liquid state. So that is only we used to call as condensation point. What we should call?
Condensation point.
Condensation point. Now, here one interesting fact I will say. Try to observe very carefully. Suppose, what is the boiling point of water? Ra? What is the boiling
100
point
degree.
of water?
100
degrees
degrees.
Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. Is it yes or no? Others, Manish,
Yes,
sir.
Lana, everybody. 100 degrees Celsius. Yes or no, Manish? Now, means in the sense of, if I keep the temperature between 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, less than 0, understanding, ice. Yes or no? Sorry, this is ice. And here greater than this one, it is gas. So now middle, these all the temperatures. What is the water state? From 0 to
Liquid.
0.1 to 99.99999 till that. What is that? What is the state of water?
Liquid.
Liquid state only. Is it yes or no? Ra?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So suppose my water is at 60 degrees Celsius. My water is 70. My water is 80. 90, 91, 95, 97, 99. Still the water, what is the state of water?
Liquid.
Liquid state.
Liquid only, sir.
Yes. Now, once the temperature reaches 100 or above 100, 100 or more than 100, then only the water will be converting into what? Gaseous state. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That point is called as, what we should call? 100 above 100 degrees Celsius is only called as boiling point. Boiling point of water. Now, observe reverse case. Suppose my temperature is, my water, steam, I am having a gas now. Temperature is 110 degrees Celsius. What is the water state? What is the water state?
Gas.
Gaseous
Gas.
state. 105 degrees Celsius. What is the state?
Gas.
All of you
Gaseous state, sir.
101, 103 degrees Celsius. Water.
Gaseous state.
Gaseous state.
101 also gaseous state.
Gaseous state.
Exactly at 100 degrees Celsius, it is converting into the gaseous state. From which state to which state? Liquid state.
Liquid
Liquid
state.
to gas.
Now, same way if you go reverse. Now, less than 100 if you go, again what will happen? What is the at 90
Liquid state.
99.99 degrees Celsius? What is the state of water?
Liquid.
Liquid, sir.
So that now I am decreasing the temperature less than 100, like imagine let 99.9 degrees Celsius, so that gas is converting into what?
Liquid.
Liquid water. Water vapor is converting into the liquid water. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that
Yes, sir.
say that the condensation point of water is also 100 degrees Celsius. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you, do you understand? Manya?
Yes, sir.
Condensation point also, which is equals to what? Water.
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius.
That is what you should remember. Do you understand? Always for any liquid, understanding, any liquid, boiling point is equals to condensation point. All of you remember? Always for any substance, if you take any substance, understanding. So what is happening? For any substance, boiling point which is equals to condensation point. That is what I want to teach. That is why I have taught you these many things. BP is equals to CP for any substance. It is constant. Do you understand, Amma? Suppose if we take
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
example, water. So water BP is 100 degrees Celsius, and same way water CP is also equals to what? 100 degrees.
100 degree.
More than 100, gaseous state. Less than 100,
Liquid state.
liquid state. That
I-
is what. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So write it. I hope you understand very well.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That is. So for any substance, Cp is equals to what?
BP.
Equals to
BP.
BP.
Boiling point.
That is what I can say. It is just a reverse of condensation is the reverse of boiling. Yes or no? Condensation
Yes,
is
sir.
the reverse of boiling.
Yes, sir.
Heating, it is gaseous state. If we do the reverse, then cooling, it is called as condensation. That is why we can say that condensation is the reverse of boiling. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Gas to liquid state, liquid change, we used to call it as condensation. Correct? Right. The process of Laksha, do you understand Laksha? What is condensation?
Understood, sir.
Alana, Samaya, Manya, Mamanish, at least say yes. Right. The process of changing a gas. The process of changing a gas also we can call it as what? Vapor. Remember. Understand? The process of changing a gas, bracket you can write vapor. The process of changing a gas to a liquid, by cooling, to a liquid by cooling is called, what we should call? Is called condensation. Is called condensation. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now, next. Right. Condensation point. The temperature at which a gas changes rapidly into liquid state by cooling. By what? By
Cooling.
cooling.